Get a good look at her.
Those nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those nice pants.
I like the new intro, by the way.
Thank you. What is going on, boys and girls? Guy Balls and I have some awesome news. Well, more like Guy Balls has some awesome news. I don't know if you could tell in the tail cam right now, but Ryan just picked up a brand new bike today. It's Kawasaki Z900, and we typically wouldn't be out on a day like this because, I mean, you can't tell from the video, obviously, but it is 35 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yeah, Rye outgrew his bike. He is now in the leader class, I would say. Because it's like what, like a 940 something?
948 cc, I believe.
And like, what's the leader class? It's like just like 20 cc's more or something like that?
It can be considered 1,000 at 960, I believe it said.
Yeah, so he's 15 cc's away from a full liter, but like, what's 15 cc's?
Few horsepower.
Maybe a little bit. So Rye's already given me the okay to do a first ride review on that bike. So I'll be looking out for that to come on the channel at some point in time when it's not 35 degrees. So once we do the first ride review, we're gonna get some good, nice cinematic shots of the bike. We'll get some good audio of the exhaust, so you get an idea of what it sounds like. And obviously you'll get my personal feelings about the bike and anything I like or dislike. One thing right now, if you guys actually watched my first ride of this bike, my GSXS 1000, you'll know one of the first things that I nitpicked about this bike is that it doesn't have hazards, and that cocksucker has hazards on his bike. So how's she handling so far, like through the turns and stuff? I know you're not going too hard, but...
Real good, dude. It's nice and nimble. By the way, people, tomorrow is supposed to be double the temperature as today.
Yeah, it's been a real wild winter for us. I mean, like, it's been spring for what, like a month and a half now?
Yeah.
And there's only been a handful of days over 30. Like, it's been fucking bananas.
Yeah, it sucks, quite frankly.
So typically, Ryan and I wouldn't come out on days like this, like I said, not only for the temperature, but because the roads are just so, like, trash from all the salt and sand and shit.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Yeah, buddy. Looking like a couple of fools.
Yeah, we typically wouldn't come out on days like this, but obviously he just got a brand new bike today. So, and if you're wondering why today of all days, it's because we're both very impulsive, and once we have something in our sights, it's just inevitable. It's just a matter of time, and usually it's typically less time than more time before we end up bringing it home.
So basically, just to give you an insight, I woke up at 4 o'clock Tuesday morning, started researching bikes, and here we are on Friday.
Yeah,
new bike.
A week. So shout out to DDS Motorsport in Utica, New York.
Absolutely, they were fantastic today.
Gave them a great deal.
Gave me exactly what I was looking for my trade-in on my other bike. Great people to do business with. We went there at 1 o'clock today, walked out with a new bike by 4:30.
Yeah.
That was paperwork, everything. Not to mention, I got $400 rebate gift card, $400 Kawasaki motorcycle jacket, and Kawasaki had a rebate of $1,000 off the bike itself for being leftover. This is the 2017.
So he made out like a bandit. It's a sexy looking bike, man.
I'm happy with it, dude. I've only had it for a couple hours now, but I'm like ecstatic.
I just can't wait to do the first ride on that thing. I think you guys enjoyed the first ride and the 1 year review of my bike, so I think you'll enjoy what's coming with that bike.
I always said that my next bike was going to be a cruiser, but I saw this and I just couldn't get my mind off it. I mean, how could you not?
Good looking bike, bro.
And I'm a blue type of guy, so like I've never really been a huge fan of Kawasaki because of the lime green, and they make this model with a lime green accents. I think they make it with the lime green accents and like the full Cali green. This has no green on it whatsoever, so that's what really turned me on to it. It's actually got some matte black and nice fucking metallic chip black on it.
All right, boys and girls, it's 35 degrees, but every time we go out, what do we got to get?
Daily honey. First on it, dude. Woo! My helmet's still filthy from that fucking Red Bull you fucking tried killing me with last year. Yeah, insert that fucking video clip, would you?
I do not condone this behavior.
Where are you throwing it? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, no!
Dude! Yeah, that bike was probably all fucking sticky with it, dude. Oh my God, dude. Like half throttle on this thing feels like my bike at full throttle. Well, my old bike now.
Yep.
Switching it up. Oh, yeah.
Woo. All right. John.com's first ride on a Kawasaki, first of all. Kawasaki Z900.
Feeling your fucking exhaust, dude. We like traded places with that. Come right in your garage and steal your fucking exhaust. Be spending fucking $1,200 here tonight. think I'm kidding.
I like how this rides, man. All right. On we go.
I think this guy's like watching us.
Where? Oh, that guy?
Yeah.
All right, so we just did a little bit of camera switching. So now Rye has a chin mount. I had, for some reason, some kind of SD error in my other GoPro, so we'll just have to reformat it. I probably could have done that right now, but I figure this is easier, right?
I'm going to mount your chin.
You went through a red light, boss.
Ga-ding-ga-ding-durgan. Oh. Why won't it turn back on, dude?
Play with the clutch lever.
Sorry, people. It wouldn't fucking turn back on.
Yeah, when it's in gear, because those levers are cheap, you kind of got to like lift up on the lever a little bit. All right, boys and girls, we're pretty much done freezing our testicles off, so this is going to do it for today's video.
Guy balls has to go to work.
Yeah. For Guy Balls on my bike, I am John.com. Freezing my tits off. We'll see you in the next video. Later.
Nice meme.